Orca, killer whale. Auckland Harbour, finally found one. How close can you get? 50 meters, I think. Is that scary? Maybe. There it is. I just hope you don't mistake me for a seal. One kind of bigger. Oh wow, 2 of them. That's pretty close to the boat. Freaky. I would feel a bit safer on a boat. Wow, beautiful. Awesome. Holy shit! Fuck! I'm not a seal! Fucking hell! Oh, that's smart enough. I would hope. Fucking scary. There he is, it's right under me. Bloody hell, I saw the air bubbles coming up. That was a bit freaky. Better leave the motor on so he knows I'm not a seal. Holy shit. Holy guacamole. Wow, yeah. Hi boys. Very exciting. There they are. Finally, eh? After 5 years, finally see the killer whale. Awesome. Oh, there's another one. There's 3 of them, at least. So those 2 are together, and there's further out is another one with a much bigger dorsal fin. Yeah. Awesome. That's a big one. Maybe those are kids. Yeah, this got a big fin there. That made a day worthwhile. Yeah, this one is way bigger than the other 2. Obviously I lost interest in us. Holy, oh la la. Oh, this is scaring the shit out of me. Oh, there he is. Oh, one got a cut off dorsal fin. And the other one got a big one. Wonder how many? There's another 2 out there. Oh no, that's canoes. Oops. Getting too excited. Yeah, I would feel a lot safer on a boat. Yeah, it's coming again. Here before they eat me. Oh, there he is, right behind you. Oh, there is a small one. And there's another 2. So there's at least 4. Well, I probably would feel even more unsafe in a canoe, I guess. Oh, straight coming for me. Scary, scary, scary.